Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and as the video title says, this is a new to me bike reveal. Who wants to see what we picked up? Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and son, this is Justin. He's going to be with us today for our new bike reveal. Well, new to us. So, without further ado, this is going to be our next project bike. Justin, I'm going to turn the camera around and you can unveil the bike. All right, unveiler there, Justin. So this is a 1971 Yamaha RT1 360 Enduro. Let's give you a look at it. This bike was also a barn find. The same person who owned the Goldwing that I restored also owned this. This bike has 2,386 original miles. You heard me correct, folks. 2,386 original miles, which is crazy. So, Justin and I have, get in the picture there, Justin. Justin and I have done the engine oil, did the two-stroke oil, put gas in it. We did a compression test. The compression test was 120. We had to put a new spark plug cap on. We got a new battery. We got a air filter. And now we're just going to see if it will start. So we've chatted with Darren at Darren's Garage. All the things we should do just to see if it'll start. We are going to roll it into the garage. Where it'll be a little bit less noisy with the wind, and we'll start this baby up, or see if it'll start. We'll be right back. So just before Justin kicks the bike, I'll just let you know that this is, as I said, a 1972, 71 or 72 Yamaha RT1 360 Enduro kickstart. It was last registered on the road in 1993, so this bike has not been started, has not had anyone touching it for 30 years. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're ready to try and start this bike. Justin has put the spark plug cap back on the spark plug. He has opened the gas on the pepcock valve, and he has turned on the choke. And we are ready to try and start the bike. If you want to turn the ignition on, Justin. And of course, the ignition is only needed on a kickstart bike to run the headlights. The bike will start without the key in it. Now, we are panty wastes when it comes to actually kicking a bike. So we've got a few bruises on the old kickstart leg. So Justin's going to hold full throttle, hold that clutch in. The bike is in neutral. And give it a kick for all you're worth, Justin. All you got. Jump up there. You can hear that it wants to start. Need a break, Justin?
Yeah.
We're going to take a break. We'll be right back, folks. Through the magic of video, we have a bigger Justin kicking. Oh, you giving it gas? Oh, it's gonna go. Oh, come on, you're there, Steve. Oh. Are you getting tired yet? after 30 years of sitting, she lives. Look at everybody's grin. Where's Justin's grin? Mama's not grinning because the bike will run.
I don't feel the same compression.
Compression? Yeah. Okay.
Does that mean anything?
I don't know.
Because I remember when we started with Steve, when I pressed it down, it like
kicked back,
pounded into the bottom of my foot.
Okay.
And it's not like doing that.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Now it kicked up.
Yeah.
Careful, watch it. It's going to go. Give her down.
I did it, guys. I did it. Nice.
Yeah,
I didn't see the lights, but
I couldn't get it back in neutral. No lights, eh?
No.
Still no lights. Okay, well, we'll figure it out. Okay, so now we know it starts, and we can start it without Steve. We know that it moves under its own power. It's shifted through all the gears. A little hard to find neutral, but it could just be really dirty. Little bit of rear brake left. No front brake at all, but we know where we're starting from. Let the restoration begin. So that's pretty cool that the bike started. All we did was change all the fluids, new battery, new spark plug, new air filter, and a lot of muscle to kick it. In the end, what happened was one of the pieces, the float on the top of the carburetor, Steve noticed seemed a little bit loose. So he tightened it up, and as soon as he did that, there was probably less air going through the carb, and it fired up on the next kick. Then we turned it off, kicked it once, and it started up again. Now, we've got a lot of cleaning and a lot of cables to go through. We got to clean the carburetor, lot of stuff to do. But we just wanted to see if the bike would run after sitting for 30 years if you just put new fluids in it and a battery, and it did. So, next step is, according to my mechanic Darren, we're going to run some sea foam through it to help clean out the innards. We will hopefully not have to crack the case and look at the piston or anything like that, because I think that's all good. But, oh my gosh, the clutch, the sprockets, the chain, the tires, the brakes, cleaning everything up. A lot of oil leaked out when we started it because bolts rattled loose and the exhaust rattled loose, so we'll have to tighten all of that. new gaskets all around, all that good stuff. So, this is going to be a great project bike for Justin and myself. And as I said, this will be Justin's bike when we're done, for him to ride around town. And I guess we're going to have to source some tires. Tires are probably going to be the most expensive thing that we have to do on this bike. Anyways, as always, if you like this video and you want to see more of them, consider subscribing. Consider liking the video and hitting that notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when we have new videos coming up. And a lot of them are going to be the restoration of the 1972 Yamaha RT1 360 Enduro. Until next time, keep that right hand cranked and the rubber side down.